Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk on the topic that a child should not be slapped. Actually, what is a slap and what it means to the child? It is a hit or a slap on any part of the child to do work. Okay, so to make the child, mostly a small child of age group from who are from class 1, 2 or 3, for them only this the slap is used. And but when they grow old, they are mature enough to know what is wrong and what is right and what to do for them. Okay, so why does this slap was came into and why it is abolished, I will come to know. System of Gurukul. The children live in the guru's house, and it's called the guru. The gurus considers them there as their own children, and they know their habits, their child's habits, matlab the people who study in this institution or stay there. And even the child also know their gurus and they respect them. Okay, and respect them. And not only they respect them, they give guru dachina and many other things. In that case, this beating is good. But when there is a school, now we are studying in a school, not in type of gurukul that will live for a whole day or a whole time of a 25 years of life. So in that case, the teachers don't know about our habit, and even though we don't know about their habit. And hitting a teacher when hitting a child in this case, it's like a stranger hitting the person, a child especially. And when a parents do so, it's like a familiar thing. When our teachers do, it's nowadays, but in the ancient days it was good because they know each other, they live with them. Okay. And uh, uh, and now that is, we go to school, we for just for the sake of knowledge, actually the knowledge, just to say for the study, just to come in the first. But that time there was a gurukul for doing household chores and waking up in the morning. They are beaten. They mostly put an emphasis on spiritual, mental and physical development. But nowadays it's like just like studying and coming first. For them, for studying, beating a child is like useless, because what a child will study, a b c d, other than that it will not be things. And if a child studies, if a child will not study a b c d, then a child can, it's not something that is things very tough. And for them only there is a 4-hour school and they are beaten. But nowadays, even of 6 to 7 years child don't know how to drink, how to eat food. So because of this system, and this system, for this system. And in the case, there are each one parents for one students, but there are 65 children for one teacher. So in that case, the teacher might go beat hard or soft in the soft part. Then in that case, the child will start crying very badly, and the child will not be quiet, will not be silent, because he is where the teacher rate, it's paining. Okay, so in that case, the when the parents will see that, then the parents will start doubting the teacher. So in that case, it's better to call a parents and tell that this child is not doing work or something like this. Then the parents can not advise, the teacher can do by herself or himself. Okay. And then uh, and teachers even nowadays don't know the daily habit. Mostly a small children of 1, 2 or 3 in class is beaten, and just for the sake of study, as I already said. And but for the age group of 6 7, for class 6 7 and 8, they are enough old to understand what's the parents call. And in that case, the teacher should strictly call the parents, because in that case the child should little bit study. It's important. So the teacher will call the parents, and the parents will see to it. Obviously the parents will not make like, it will not that, okay, you did a mistake, very good, it will not the case. But it should the teacher should not beat in any case, even the person is in class 12 or 11 or 9, 10, 11, 12. The child are enough matured not and are even not dependent on the parents, and it's a surety from class 11 and 12. Okay, and how till how much age a parents will guide, not a guide actually guide, so we will do it for a lifetime, parents will do it for a lifetime, but we will we will hit the student or beat the slap the students to make them study. For the 11th will girl or a boy, it's important to study by then, otherwise no one can force them and make them study. Okay, so therefore I like to conclude that child shouldn't be slapped, as slapping don't help them. And nowadays the system of going school, and they are debating just for the sake of educations, just for the sake of study. Hmm. So I told you the aim of beating, why teachers beat students nowadays and in ancient times. And for nowadays it should be abolished. It should be abolished. Thank you.